Hey guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel, and thank you so much for clicking this video. In today's video we are going to make matoke, potatoes and meat all together, so stay tuned and stick to this video till the end. I hope you're going to enjoy it and you're going to learn something on how to make it very easy in your home. So I made a short video, and two people actually commented there that I do a video about matoke and potatoes, include with made a long video step by step on how I do it, because that meal turned out so sweet, guys. So as you can see, I am in the kitchen, and let's go directly into the video. So guys, as you can see here, I have my ingredients. Let me mention them one by one. So here is my potatoes, as you can see. Then I have this one luma, I'm going to add it there. And then there is my matoke that I am talking about. And then I have tomatoes, I have ginger and garlic, I have 2 onions, yes, and then I have 1 capsicum full, I have 1 carrot, I have this coriander, and then I have my meat. Don't laugh, the meat is too small, but yes. So guys, let's start preparing the meat, and then we come back to matoke and waru. Okay, yeah, so here is my empty spoon. The meat is already cut at the butcher. Not too small, guys, because this is enough for me. My husband is not taking meat. So this is what I am going to enjoy it just alone. Yep. So guys, the meat is already there, and now I want to start preparing the matoke and the warus. So let's go directly into the video, preparing this and the ingredients, and then when the meat is done, we'll start doing the magic. our yeah. So let's add our tomato. While the test is testing, reduce the heat. Add the salt, guys. Ah, yes. Add the salt. And then mix it well. And then cover it for a few minutes. Let the tomato release the juice. Yes, so this is it. As you can see, tomato has released the juice. Guys, I wish you could smell this, or you could taste. Oh my god, it's so sweet. So guys, let's add our Matoke and where they, yes, yeah, the sufuria is too big. I thought the food will fit here. So let me, oh my god, this is going to be so sweet. You mix it well, guys. Wow, look at that. I love it. Test if your salt is okay, and then cover it for a period like for 2 minutes, and then we will open it and add some soup. Hey guys, 2 minutes is over now, and Oh my god, the smell is smelling, guys. Oh god, this is so nice. So now you can add your soup and avoid to mix it every time because the matokes, they can vunjika. This is typically African food. You will only find this in Africa. What? So then you can taste the salt. Mine is okay, guys. I don't know if I know, is it in me alone? I can just measure my salt with my hand and eyes without using a tablespoon, and it turns out very, very perfect. So the food now is ready. Not really ready, but I want to cover it, yes, and then transfer it to the jiko. Let me switch off my gas. So I'm transferring it into the jiko and then let it maybe cooked slowly. Hey guys, so let's take a look of what we have been cooking. Guys, oh my god, this is so tasty and nice. So I just want to switch off my motor, let it cool, and then I serve and we enjoy, guys. So sweet, guys. Thank you so much for watching this vlog up to the end, and thank you for liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this vlog, guys. And oh my god, matoke, waru, and meat slab, so sweet. So until next time, be here. I am enjoying my meal.